This bamboo piece is about to become a handcrafted bonsai display. First, the outer layer is cleaned away to reveal the smooth stem underneath. Then it is carefully drilled, trimmed, and mounted into a shallow pot where the design begins to take shape. The artist shapes the trunk and branches with careful carving, sanding, and wiring, slowly transforming the simple piece of bamboo into something that looks like a miniature tree. To prevent damage during the process, the wood is kept moist while every detail is refined by hand. After a final polish, the color comes alive, the grain becomes more visible, and the transformation is complete.